Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 12, time. Time, everybody know that time. Everything we manage with time. From morning to evening. So that time, you are looking the clock. So, exercise 12.1. An hour hand take hours to move from 3 to 8. 3 to 8. That is 3 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be the first one is 5. And then a minute hand take minute to move from 5 to 11. 5 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 5 ja, that will be 30 because between these two there is a 5 minute. Third question, a minute hand take minute to move from 10 to 4. 10 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 5 ja 30. That is also 30. And then fourth, an hour hand takes hour to move from 7 to 4. 7 to 4. So it means 7 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a 9 hour. Fourth question is 9 hour. Fifth question, a minute hand takes minute to move from 9 to 8. 9 to 8. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 5 ja 55. Next exercise 12.2. Read the time. Read the time that is given in your book. 5 minutes past 4. So it's a one is given for your help, and then second 4:10. That is a B part. Question number 1. B part 4. That is 10. You are looking in book 4:10. That is a double dot. And then you will be write 10 minutes past 4. 10 minutes past, that is 4. That is a minute. MIN minute. C part, that is a 4:15. 4:15. That will be right. 5 minutes past, 15 minutes past 4. 15 minutes past 4. D part. 4:32. Sorry, 4:20. 4:20. Similarly, you will write 20 minutes past 4. And then E part. 4:25. 4:25. Similarly, you will be right 25 minutes past 4. F part. 4:30. 4:30. So that 30 minutes past 4. And then G1 also similarly you will be right. Everything is given here. You can do right. You can do very easily. G part. Again that 4:35. So 35 minutes past 4. H part 4:40. That is given 4:40. So that 40 minutes past 4. H I J K L you can do, no problem will be there, or you can see here also H I part, that is a 4:45. 4:45. So that is 45 minutes past, that is 4. Similarly you will be do. And then second question, matching that A matching is, that is 11:45, that means second part. B matching is that 2:05, so that will be third part. And then C, that is 9:25. 9:25 means fourth part. D, that is 7:30, so that is a fifth part. E, obviously that will be first part. 12.3 quarter past or quarter to will be right here in this question. Diagram is given here. That's the first question. A has given for your example that 8:15, so quarter past 8. Quarter past 8. We will write here quarter past 8. And then C part, there will be quarter past 2. Quarter past 2. D part, that is quarter to 1. That is quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. And then exercise 12.4, you will be see 12.4 multiple choice question MCQ, that is first part and A part and B part. Right option, convert into hours. Second question, convert into hours. So 5 days is equal to, that is 5 multiply, that will be 24. 24 hours. This is the hours. Short form of the 120 hours. By the multiply of both things, that will be second. That is 12 days. 12 days is equal to 12 into 24 hours. So that by multiply, that will be 288. 288 hours. By the multiply of both. Third, 10 days. 10 days is equal to 10 into 24 hours. That is 240 hours. Fourth part, you will be do, that's not a part, A, B, C. These are the A, B, C. A, B, C, and D part you will do E part. 2 months, 5 days. 5 days. So that 2 months, that will be 2 into 30 into 24 plus 5 into 24. So that 32 ja 60, 6 4 ja 24, 6 4 ja 24, and then 6 to 12, 13, 14 plus 25 4 ja, that will be 120, and then add hours, so that add 0,651 hours, that is 1560 hours. E, F part, 3 months 12 days. 3 months 12 days is equal to 3 into 1 month is 30 days into 1 day is equal to 24, that is 12 into 24 hours. So that 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36, carry 3, 9 2 ja 18, 3 21 plus 12, 24 ja 288, and then add 808 86 14 2 4 and then 2 2448 hours. And then question number 3, convert into second. Convert into second. That is A part 45 minutes. 45 minutes is equal to 45 into, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that 60, that multiply will be 2700 second, SEC second, and then 2 hours, B part, 2 hours. 2 hours means 2 into 60 into 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equal to 60 minute second. So that 6 6 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72, and then 00 second. And then 20 minute 35 second, C part, 20 minute 35 second, that is 20 into 60 plus 35 second. So that 6 2 ja 12 and then 00 plus 35 second. So that is 1235 second. And then D part similar is there. E part, D and C both are the similar part, so that C E part. E part we'll see here, because here is a less space. E part 2R, that is 18 minute. 18 minute is equal to 2 into 60 into 60 plus 18 into 60. So that 6 is 36, 36 72, 00 plus, that will be 6 8 ja 48, 6 1 ja 6, 4 10 and 0, and then add the 0 8 2 8 8 2 8 0 second. And then next question, next exercise 12.5, fill up is there. Tuesday come after Monday, Friday come before Saturday, Saturday come between Friday and Sunday. The first month of year is January. This is a new year. The 6th month of the year is June. This is the hottest month of year. True, false. That is the 9th month of the year is September. True. November come before October and December. Yeah, true. January is the last month of the year. No, this is the first month of the year. That's a false. 12 days is equal to 1 week. Wrong. 12 days is equal to not 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 7 months is equal to 1 year. False. And then third question of this exercise. Convert into days. Convert into days. A part. 4 week. 4 weeks is equal to 4 multiply 7, because 1 week is equal to 7 days, is equal to 28 days. And then similarly B part 22 weeks. that is 22 into 7 days is equal to 7 to 14, 7 to 15 days. And then C part, 8 month. 8 months is equal to 8 into 30 into 7 days, because 1 month is equal to 30 days. So that will be multiply 240 days. Just a minute. 8 month is there. 8 3 are 24, 7 4 are 28. That will be multiply 7 3 are 21. 21 8 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. That is 0. That will be 0 0 0 0. Just a minute. This is a wrong, because we know that this is a wrong, because we know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. So that is a days. 8 is a 24. And then D part, 11 month 3 weeks. Weeks is equal to 11 into 30 plus 3 into 7. 3 plus 3 7 is 21. So that is 153 days. And then D part, E part. See here, E part. 23 month 5 weeks is equal to 23 into 30 plus 5 into 7. So 0 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 plus 35 days. So that is 5 9 3 12 6 1 7 days. That is 725 days. And then last question, similar than the E question, you can do easily. Okay.